Why do we emphasize having the right motivation, especially for Dharma studies and practice? What is defined as the right motivation?
Actually, the right motivation is very, very important to do any Dharma practice. So, motivation here means a sincere wish or genuine reason to practice Dharma. The benefit of having the right motivation is that when we do any Dharma practice, if we do with the right motivation, then our practice will become more meritorious and we can accumulate more merit. And if we don't have the right motivation, then not only it means we don't accumulate much merit, but also it means our practice is not a real Dharma practice. It is only at a superficial level, but not the genuine Dharma practice. For example, if the true person is doing circumambulation to a stupa or to a temple, so if both of them have done the same number of circumambulation, but one is doing with the right motivation and one is doing with mundane intention or without right motivation, although physically they have done the same circumambulation and also same number, but the one who has the right motivation will earn much greater merit than the other one. So therefore, having the right motivation can make our practice the real course to gain liberation and Buddhahood, or can make our practice a real or genuine Dharma practice.